In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voiceover with Minimax Audio Text-to-Speech. If you've ever wanted a clear, natural-sounding narration without recording your own voice, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple, and by the end you'll have a polished voiceover ready to go. First, head to the Minimax Audio website. Once you're there, navigate to the text-to-speech section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a text box where you can type or paste the speech you want to turn into audio. Write it exactly how you want it spoken. Good punctuation helps the voice know where to pause, so include periods, commas, and question marks as needed. If there are tricky words or names, spelling them phonetically can help the system pronounce them correctly, but keep your text clean and concise for the best results. Next, move your cursor over the emotion control. You'll notice it's set to auto by default. Auto is a smart setting that adapts the delivery to match the general tone of your text, which is great for most projects and a solid option if you're just getting started. If you're on a premium plan, you can choose a specific emotion to direct the performance more precisely. For example, a cheerful tone can bring marketing copy to life, while a calm or serious tone can make instructional content sound more trustworthy. Pick what suits your script's intent. Now fine-tune the delivery using the speed, pitch, and volume controls. Speed adjusts how fast the voice speaks. Slower pacing can improve clarity for tutorials, while a slightly faster pace can add energy to promotional content. Pitch changes the perceived depth or brightness of the voice. Subtle adjustments can make it sound warmer or more authoritative. Volume simply sets how loud the output is. Small gradual tweaks tend to work best, and keeping these settings balanced helps the final audio sound natural and easy to listen to. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your text and create the voiceover. This can take a moment depending on the length of your script and the settings you've chosen. Once it's ready, you're done. You've created a clean, consistent voiceover without needing a microphone or a recording space. That's the entire workflow. Go to Minimax Audio, open text-to-speech, enter your script, review the emotion setting, adjust speed, pitch, and volume as needed, then generate. Try a short paragraph first to get a feel for the tone and pacing you like, and then apply those choices to longer scripts for a professional, repeatable result.